Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today this is my road trip footage to our trip to Orange Beach.
Technology now controls and influences outside.
As Matthew just told you, we had just entered Alabama and I missed the darn sign, but it's all good. So here we're going in through Mobile and we're about to go into the tunnel. So a lot of my footage for this trip is going to be a little crazy. Just please bear with me. I filmed some of it on my phone, forgetting that I had to put it sideways, so that is why some of the footage will be vertical. So just if you're watching it on your phone, just turn it to the side. But yeah, so our trip started off a little bit stormy. As you can see, it rained for like the first 2 days. So I didn't get that much footage the first few days, but I do start recording, I think, on day 3. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoy. Matthew, where are we? It's very, very windy. Oh, I didn't even lock my car. Hold on. Hot Mess Express rolling in. Hey! Hi! What are you doing?
I'm trying to fix my conditioner, I'm just rubbing conditioner all over me.
Oh, I'm not showing my face because I look like a hobo.
So you show mine.
Yep. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, don't mind me, I just woke up, but this is actually day 3 of our trip because the first 2 nights it was absolutely like rain and gross and actually pretty scary. Like the wind was really bad like all last night. It sounded like a tea kettle, but so I finally feel like good enough to film because it was just so like scary. And the TV's on, but I'll give you guys a full tour, but just right now, this is what it looks like. The sun is actually out, so Matthew and I are gonna be going outside, but all that water right there, that kind of grosses me out. But that's how bad it was. It actually went back a little bit. But yeah, so we're gonna head out today. Finally, we've only been shaking in our boots. Ooh, sorry. But we're gonna eat breakfast and get ready for the beach. Hey guys, so I look real fresh this morning. Today's our last full day on the beach. Let's go check out what the beach looks like. Oh my god guys, it is so pretty. I think today is the prettiest day we've had so far. Oh my god. All the water's finally dried up. There was water all right here, just like it was over there, which that dried up, which is great. But it even feels good outside. Yeah guys, so we are just going to eat breakfast. Wow, I look real good this morning. I don't care. So we're gonna eat breakfast and head to the beach. Literally the best coffee creamer of all time. If you don't drink hazelnut, we aren't friends. Alright guys, it's our last day. I am so burnt. Trying to hide all my burnt spots because I'm not trying to burn again today, but this is the cute little summy I got from Target. I'm so burnt. Oh my god. But anyway, so let's go get packed up. Oh, I need this. Best lippy ever. Oh, can you see it? There we go. All right, Matthew got us some sandwiches. I wonder if he wants to bring those. Probably not. I'm gonna put these in my bag right here. Actually, no, those go in the ice chest. Put those in there. I got all my goods in there. So. So I thought I'd give you guys a super quick tour. You can hear the people behind in the lobby or whatever, but basically when you walk in, so pretty. And there's 2 bedrooms on each side. So this bedroom has a king size bed, TV, super cute, and has its own bathroom, of course. Hi, hello. And yeah, so super cute. That's the first bedroom, and then you go across the room, the hall, I mean, and we call this like the kids' room. Has 2 queen size beds, a TV, and of course its own bathroom. Also super cute. And then each has their own closet as well. And then you go down the hall and you see the laundry room slash like half bath, because it has a toilet and a shower, but has washing machine, dryer, all that good jazz, which comes in handy dandy because I wash all of our clothes so we don't have any dirty clothes to go home with, which is bomb. And yeah, and then here's the master bedroom, which is a king size bed. Matthew's in the bathroom right now, so we're not gonna go in there, but this is what it looks like. Super cute, has 2 doors. And then here's the kitchen. We do all of our, you know, lovely food making. Here's like a little bar area. And yeah, and here's the living room slash chillax room. And then here's the balcony. Matthew, are you ready to go home? You're supposed to say no.
Oh, no.
Yeah, here's the pretty view. We ran out of coffee this morning, so I had to go to Starbucks, but it's fine. So here it is, guys. I'm gonna miss it. Of course, it got pretty the last 2 days we were here. So, God, there's a lot of people on the beach today. What are you doing?
On Instagram.
We're just chilling. Started cleaning up to leave. Do you want to go home?
No. Did I get it right this time?
Yes.